In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add an action button, complete with hover effects, to your responsive web page in Hazel Pro. Start by clicking the plus button at the top left corner of your section. From the menu, choose Action Button. Hazel Pro drops a clean, ready-to-style button right into your layout. Next, right-click the button and open Button Settings. Here you can update the label, adjust the border, and choose your colors. This is also where you can set up hover effects. Simply pick contrasting colors for the normal state and the hover state to make the button feel interactive. For this demo, we'll leave the link field blank, but in your own design you can enter a URL or link to another page on your website. Once your styling looks good, head over to Preview to see how the button behaves when the page is published. Hover effects, colors, and responsiveness all show up exactly as they will on your live site. And that's it, you've added a fully styled action button with hover effects. Great job! Check out the other videos on this channel for more responsive web design tutorials.